putte upperbelt. Miners Majori haastaa legendaarisia. Nyt isos liigas niinku Roosberg. Suomalais rättii maailmanluokan kaliberis. 2 lasi maitoa ja 1 lasi piimää. En se kylvää ja en se siittää. Natu paljusta kansi avataan. Pojat on tulos, torilla tavataan. Easy for ens, putte upperbelt, putte upperbelt. Easy for ens, putte upperbelt, putte upperbelt. Allu on valmiina myllyttää, vihut valmiina hyllyttää. Piti mennä A, mut mentiinkin B. Nimikko, taktiikka, Aleksi B. Nuori osuja, Sergei jakaa. Hiustyylei vanhaan tapaa. XCV saitin luukottaa. Haastiks siis Miki puudottaa. Airia City pojas kentiin, mut ei kanssa peli kentiin. Kynäri kansa tietää ketkä on nää JNC. Pistää ykkösel päihin. Easy for ens, putte upperbelt, putte upperbelt. Easy for ens, putte upperbelt, putte upperbelt. Easy for ens, putte upperbelt, putte upperbelt. Miners Majori haastaa legendaarisia. Nyt isos liigas niinku Roosberg. Suomalais rättii maailmanluokan kaliberis. 2 lasi maitoa ja 1 lasi piimää. En se kylvää ja en se siittää. Natu paljusta kansi avataan. Pojat on tulos, torilla tavataan. Easy for ens, putte upperbelt, putte upperbelt. Easy for ens, putte upperbelt, putte upperbelt. Allu on valmiina myllyttää, vihut valmiina hyllyttää. Piti mennä A, mut mentiinkin B. Nimikko, taktiikka, Aleksi B. Nuori osuja, Sergei jakaa. Hiustyylei vanhaan tapaa. XCV saitin luukottaa. Haastiks siis Miki puudottaa. Airia City pojas kentiin, mut ei kanssa peli kentiin. Kynäri kansa tietää ketkä on nää JNC. Pistää ykkösel päihin. Easy for ens, putte upperbelt, putte upperbelt. Easy for ens, putte upperbelt, putte upperbelt. Easy for ens, putte upperbelt, putte upperbelt. Miners Majori haastaa legendaarisia. Nyt isos liigas niinku Roosberg. Suomalais rättii maailmanluokan kaliberis. 2 lasi maitoa ja 1 lasi piimää. En se kylvää ja en se siittää. Natu paljusta kansi avataan. Pojat on tulos, torilla tavataan. Easy for ens, putte upperbelt, putte upperbelt. Easy for ens, putte upperbelt, putte upperbelt. Allu on valmiina myllyttää, vihut valmiina hyllyttää. Piti mennä A, mut mentiinkin B. Nimikko, taktiikka, Aleksi B. Nuori osuja, Sergei jakaa. Hiustyylei vanhaan tapaa. XCV saitin luukottaa. Haastiks siis Miki puudottaa. Airia City pojas kentiin, mut ei kanssa peli kentiin. Kynäri kansa tietää ketkä on nää JNC. Pistää ykkösel päihin. Easy for ens, putte upperbelt, putte upperbelt. Easy for ens, putte upperbelt, putte upperbelt. Easy for ens, dens, putted upperbelt. Miners Majori haastaa legendaarisia. Nyt isos liigas niinku Roosberg, suomalais rättii. Maailmanluokan kaliberis, 2 lasi maitoa ja 1 lasi piimää. En se kylvää ja en se siittää. Natu paljusta kansi avataan. Pojat on tulos, torilla tavataan. Easy for ens, dens.
Hello. Welcome to this new stream. This is a short stream. Just wanna do some analysis on crypto and move to gold then. So as of now, we are just going through with the pennant. We are in a volume absorption phase where the market is contracting the volume and creating enough liquidity for the another move. And I had this coach change of character made in with this spinning bottom, and as of now, market has just retraced back to it and was rejected at this point. So this will be the change of character for any trade you want to take with the pennants. But pennants, it's essential to have a fake out as well. So I guess we had a fake out on the above side, and if this is a fake out, then we're gonna see the TFC of this from this top to this bottom, and somewhere here we're gonna see bearish candle from where we're gonna be making this TFC, and it might retrace back to it. It will be retesting this wick line, which will be our retest zone for this. And let me just remove these so to avoid any confusion. I hope so my voice is clear. Just let me give a check and we'll be good then. Yep. So we'll be retesting the zone because there's a wick and there are limit buy orders here. So whenever we gonna retest back to this retest line, a retest wick line, we're gonna see a volume burst, and from there I expect the market to pull back. As of if you're gonna see this from the macro angle, today we had CPI data which was bearish. We had like 2.4% of inflation, and of course we need 2.0% of the inflation if we gonna see the rate cuts. So this is like the default theme for Feds, that they want to see on a consistent basis, they want to see 2% inflation. So if 3 months for 3 months, if the inflation rate stays stagnant at this price, at this level, we're gonna see the rate cuts. But as of now, despite cooling off, we saw another hike to for 1%, 0.1%. So this is quite bearish, and the market is reacting in that way. If we had to see the volume, we have already been seeing that, and this pennant fake out is a very it's a confirmation that we're gonna see a bearish move to maybe 107 level, and from there we're gonna retest our price levels, and I expect this pennant to come here, then retrace back to it, and then maybe we can see another growth in the price. And if you want to take the supply, we should be taking this supply from here to here after we have seen this breakout, so it can take the fib level of 0.5%. As you know that DMC has the concept of central zone, and it's one of the most important concepts, and the market usually retraces back. So if you're using FVG, if you're using a full supply, full demand, you want to see the central zone of it. So if we have the supply, we're gonna see the central zone from where it might retrace back. So let's suppose if you want to take from this bearish hammer, it suits right to the retest line. So let's see how this turns out. As of now, I'm looking this as the bearish, and I don't think so it's gonna make all-time high with these macros. It can change, the bias can change. If we have a good news, maybe we can pull back to the pennant, but as of now things are not looking good as of the on a macro angle, and so far with the pennant as well. So I'm expecting a retest, and then we may pull back. We might want to retest this curve line as well, but for that it won't just take the time and just go sideways. So the more the time it takes right now, the better it goes. So, and this trade was taken with the trending resistance. We had this reversal. I've posted this about in Discord with that right here we'll have the reversal. We had it, and then on that position I made a I took a trade here. Took a trade here at this candle after this bullish engulfing. You know, bullish engulfing is one of the most bullish reverse candles. So as of now I'm in a trade, and will be taking the trailing stop at this wick level. So I took the major profits right here, and let's see how this turns out later on. So as of Ethereum, let's see what Ethereum has. So Ethereum bounced back from the resistance. It has the retest to the resistance, as I have already told you that we're going to retest the resistance, and right now it's going good. Let's see how this turns out. If Bitcoin loses its level, if Bitcoin goes bearish, it will take a double supply to it, and it might make another retest to a trending support. But as of now, this trend line has a major liquidity. We might retrace back to it. I don't see it getting mature enough right now, so maybe we can go like this and create an ellipse here, or what we can do is just come back here and then go again, and then maybe come back here and then go finally with the 3200 support. But still things are looking bearish to me. I'm not taking a risk here to trade any further. I will be waiting for the confirmations and just going with the least of the margins. As of the SPY, we might go for a retest here at this range. So I had made this range here. So you want to go long here, you want to go short here, you want to go long here as well, on a confirmation with a CCE pattern, which is bullish engulfing, which can be morning star, which can be hanging man. So these are complex convex patterns which can be used with the reversal at the central zone. So market can retrace back to it and then go above. And what it can do is it can retrace back to this point as well and then go above these levels. So both of the probabilities are just there. As of now, we just have to wait and watch. As of Tesla, it did provide us with a huge comeback, and with a double bottom with a V-shaped retracement, we got a nice pullback here. So it was a nice pullback, and maybe we will retrace back to the neckline of this, which will be the central zone of this supply, and then from where we want to see another demand. So let's see how this turns out. As of now, markets are going sideways. There is no major projection as of now to see. Let's see how this turns out. Now coming back to the gold is going in was going in the falling wedge, and we had another retest to the falling wedge trend line, and here we are seeing some bearish pressures here because we had a CPI, and you know, with CPI comes with better liquidity, and with that liquidity comes more wicks. So as of now, it's in liquidity absorption phase. I expect it to again pull back here and retrace to this evening star, to this hammer right here. So this will be a retest point. So I still feel like if you want to retest back to it and then go again for another retest and create a complete M structure, from where we can see if we have a demand or if it break the structure and goes for a lower low. So as of now, we just have to just wait. So we're gonna take a trade here, we're gonna just take a trade here. So as of now, we are just on a central zone, so there is no way we're gonna take a risk here right here. So that's it with this. If you see here, let me show you, and let's go on a 1 hour chart. if you see here, we have this parallel channel which is giving the support for it. So this is the supporting parallel channel that we'll be using, and this is the major resistance we have. So right now it's in a very volume contraction zone, so it's a lot near that we're gonna see another breakout, and for that we have to just wait. And as of now, we need to see a fake out. As you know, with DMC, the most important concept, one of the most important concept, is fake out theory. So fake outs are very important in the market. Until I see a fake out, I won't go in and take a trade. So what I just need is a fake out, maybe here, for going down to these levels. So we have this level which hasn't been retested quite well, so we might retest here. So this will be our support zone, and this will be our resistance. Okay, so we're gonna see a fake out here maybe, or if we see a fake out to this parallel channel, we can see a move to the all-time highs as well. So both they are both priorities, but we need to wait for a fake out first before we go in. So as of now, I don't think so there's any pattern here. It's just changing the SR interchange for this demand into the supply. This supply, and this is the reversal area. And okay, and right now it's going in a parallel channel and creating a M structure. So if you see a break of structure right here, we're gonna see a fake out till here, and with this we have a wick volume fill up, which is very important in DMC. So this is wick volume fill up. So that's it with the gold. So Dixie is still in a bearish zone. Obviously, it has to be because of the news we have on the CPA and the trade talks that were held in London, and as of now, they're concluded, and US will pay 55% of tariffs, while China will only pay 10%. So this is quite bearish, I guess. And right now we are retesting this, and if you see here, we have this head and shoulders pattern. This is the head, this is the shoulder, this is the another shoulder we have. So we might see a pullback from here. Let's see. But we have this wick volume to fill up, so this will be a volume burst zone. Okay, and Dixie and BTC goes in the same direction, and they are directionally related. When it comes to gold, it's a inverse relation. So if gold goes up, BTC crypto goes down. Same goes for the stock. So we need SPX to pull back. We need Dixie to pull back as well. But Dixie is like more of the neutral. I'm wrong to say that the Dixie was bullish with the crypto, but it goes neutral. Sometimes it goes with the gold, sometimes it goes with the BTC. It depends on the liquidity rotation. It also depends on the flow of funds. So if we have more US bars, Dixie will be like a more important trade asset, liquidity trade asset for BTC. So let's see how this turns out. And right now we are seeing a fake out. We have seen a fake out on of this pennant, and I'm looking for a retest here, and maybe then we can go up. Just right now we have a candle close, 4 hourly candle close, and if you see here we have this wick fill up. So most probably we might fill up, or we just see a fake out. So yep, as of now this is if I'm not wrong, this is a bullish harami, and let's see how this continues and go further. So if we see a bearish engulfing here, we're going to retest to this. Sorry, we're going to retest to this point, and if we won't see a retest, then we might go for all-time highs, which will be my initial target, which will be 14,500 and 15k at most. So let's see how this turns out. As of now, things are bearish, and you need to stay cautious. But you know, if retailers are bearish, smart money comes in, hops in, and buys in as well. So that's it for this stream, and I'm gonna be back with another one tomorrow, and we'll be doing some of these analysis. And yep, that's it. Okay.
Easy for ens, dance, put it upper belt. Miners Majori haastaa legendaarisia. Nyt isos liigas niinku Roosberg. Suomalais rättii maailmanluokan kaliberis. 2 lasi maitoa ja 1 lasi piimää. En se kylvää ja en se siittää. Natu paljusta kansi avataan. Pojat on tulos, torilla tavataan. Easy for ens, dance, put it upper belt. Easy for ens, dance, put it upper belt. Allu on valmiina myllyttää, vihut valmiina hyllyttää. Piti mennä A, mut mentiinkin B. Nimikko, taktiikka, Aleksi B. Nuori osuja, Sergei jakaa. Hiustyylei vanhaan tapaa. X7 saitin luukottaa. Haastiksis miki puudottaa. Airia City pojas kentil, mut ei kanssa juteli kentil. Kynäri kansa tietää ketkä on näijii. Ense pistää ykkösel päihin. Easy for ens, dance, put it upper belt. Easy for ens, dance, put it upper belt. Easy for ens, dance, put it upper belt.